Meet Lumi Live, your AI companion for the browser. Start with one request. Lumi stays beside your page while you type what you need. Press enter and the action begins. It opens a new YouTube tab, searches an example, clicks the right result, and starts playing. On any page, Lumi can read, scroll, click, and fill forms. Then turn what it sees into a clear answer. Ask Lumi to save it to Notion. Permission stays visible, every step is shown, and the finished page keeps its source. Live Translate listens to web audio, lowers the original, and plays your language immediately. No downloading, no uploading. Getting started is simple. Add a free Gemini API key, choose a voice you like, and Lumi is ready. When you want more, connect Notion, Redmine, or any custom MCP server that follows the standard /MCP endpoint. Talk or type. Keep Lumi beside the page without breaking your flow. Lumi Live is available now on the Chrome Web Store.